Sometimes you will face problem to print a full page in Excel. Like I got some data in a table. I want to print this page. But when I see the print preview, the two columns are missing in my print page preview. I can't see my last two columns here. My print will be until here. I can't see column K and column L in my print preview. Let's fix this issue. Find Page Break Preview option. Click View and then click Page Break Preview. My page 1 does not include column K and column L, that's why I am unable to print full page. My last columns show page 2. I have to drag the page margin and include both last columns. So I have to bring them to page 1 by dragging page margin. Let's check back print preview. And now I can print my whole page. Thanks for watching.